like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you know what.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to you now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to you now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not.
Good morning, welcome back to another vlog. Another day. I've been up on the go since I've been up this morning, taking care of business. So this one well seated here. You're not saying good morning, sir?
A big cup of Milo tea.
As usual, I'm always a drink of Milo tea. You see the cup bigger than his head? I'm always drinking. What? Show my cup? Why? What wrong with my cup?
The big cup is
Oh, that's okay.
same size.
It's the same size. Yeah, I don't like these cups. Mario like them. Me soon get rid of them.
Well, maybe.
No, because they don't match with the color scheme I'm having in my house.
We can don't sit in my house.
Yeah, you can carry them downstairs in your work area. Perfect. At least when you want tea, me bring you should get it down. But anyways, I'm here having Mr. Williams help me in the kitchen this morning. Making sandwich. Don't look, it look like two sandwich, but that two little one them.
Big.
See, they're tiny. They just
Yeah,
look
your
big
hands
on
are
camera.
small.
Because my hand's not big. If your big hand cover the sandwich. So I'm here about to go eat. So Mario just had a clean breakfast, showered and all. Outside giving trouble and they want to play up in the cement and stuff already. He wants to just be outside. Have to lock him in the house. But this is how our day is starting. I didn't vlog as much yesterday. I'm not. Yeah. Guys, I'm still not feeling 100, but every day getting a little bit better. So as you see, we're sitting in the living area. Well, in the living area don't even look like a living area, but God's willing and time, hopefully in here would look nice and painted in maybe the next week. What you say, babe? How long before in here would be painted?
Next year.
Next year, you're don't play with me.
Oh, when next year?
What? No, me want.
We can paint it.
So how long does the wall take to dry?
Yeah, well.
Couple days. So by weekend this can't paint.
Yeah, right.
But it's just that the machine is not here. That's the problem. Kind of machine you want to use to paint the walls? Huh? Yes.
Yeah.
Guys, right now the whole thing with we're still waiting on our container. The frustration. Again. After we were told 4 to 6 weeks or 7 weeks now.
3 to 4 weeks.
Yeah, 3 to 4 weeks, and then they said 6. Whosoever you spoke to on the phone said it would take 6 weeks. So this is the 7th week we're in, and next week will be the 8th week. So it will be 2 months since we ship off our stuff and haven't gotten it. And we figure said we shipped it off well early to figure say okay, we ship it off a month ahead, or at least a month ahead of time. Yeah, more than a month ahead of time. Because by the time we reached down here, the container would have been 5 weeks. So we were hoping that at least we'll say, okay, maybe everything would have come down here and they would have called before we even reached, which would have been good because somebody could have cleared it if we weren't here. I wasn't expecting to come down here and still waiting on my stuff them to come. Me need my stuff for my kitchen, my plates and stuff like that. Like, I want the stuff them to set up my house, to be a little bit more comfortable in my space, and I can't have that. Yes, guys, and don't ask us if we go back with the same shipping company. The same one we go back with. So we thought things were better. Yes, last time there was an incident, where I don't know if we can disclose that per camera, but whatever. I don't even know if I disclosed it before what happened last time. I did. But you know what, me I go eat my food, yeah. Mr. Williams is supposed to go up there, go cast up there. Sun hot. Hello, are you coming here? Come sit down so long, See, so he's supposed to do something there. Sun is not that hot outside. And him no something to do it. So see that side is finished. Want me to go on out there? I'll drop you, want me to drop down? No, you're not gonna drop down. Faith! What you want to put in shoes on?
No, put him out here.
You go on, come out, baby. I'm tired of in the house. Okay, so that side of the wall is all finished now. I don't know if you guys can see it. Oh, shoot. But it's all done. So it's just that side that's still left. Mr. William is out there working. So he is filling up the black hole there. Yeah. So that's what he's doing. So I guess this is a one-man army today. I can't even assist him. Can't mix, can't do anything. I just kind of have to sit and watch. And this is very hard. Let me just get to sit and watch and can't do anything. So there, so he's pulling up. He's trying to finish the column. Yeah.
Only been days, but it felt like months.